Hi, grade fours. Welcome to another game. Today I'm going to teach you, it's called Make 10. You can make 15, you could make 20, you can change the number that you want to what you want to make, but it's kind of a solitary game. You can also play against a partner, so you and your mom could play, and what I will give those rules afterwards. First, I'm going to explain how you play by yourself. So I happen to get just a big deck of cards, just like Mrs. Samayoa has that we saw last week. Let me see if I can get the camera to stay. No, I want it to go down. So there we go. Okay, so you're going to play, oh, don't fall, hang on. The camera and I are having fights. Oh, I won. Okay, you're going to play with the deck of cards. Please remove your jacks, your queens, and your kings. Okay, take them out and put them aside. You don't need them. Okay, you are going to place the deck in the corner of your area and you're going to deal yourself 7 cards. 1, 2, face up, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, the trick is to make 10 with the cards that you have facing up. So there's 10. I know 5 and 5 is 10. I don't have nothing else. So now I get to fill in my empty spaces. Okay. I know that 6 and 4 is 10. And I know I'm playing upside down to you. My apologies. I should switch it around. I can now fill in these other 2 spaces. The point of the game is to get rid of the entire deck. Okay, now if you're playing against somebody, to get rid of your half of the entire deck before your partner does. Okay, oh, 9 and 1 makes 10. 3 and 7 make 10. 3 and 5, no, nothing yet. And I can use as many cards as I want to get to 10 because I know 2 plus 2 is 4, plus 6 is 10. So I have 7 cards out at one time. Of course, I can get rid of my 10. I'm hoping to have something. 7 and 3 is 10. I want to have a grid log here to show you what to do when you don't have 10 on your mat. Look at this. 9 and 1, 10, 9 and 1, 10. Of all these 6s and 4s, 6 and 4 was 10. Oh, look at this. I'm going to take 2 plus 3 plus 5 equals 10, and 1 plus 5 plus 4 equals 10. All right, are we getting anywhere? I have a 10. I can get rid of that. I'm going to get rid of these 2. Oh, I don't know, guys. Am I going to win? 2 and 8 is 10. And there's my 10. Am I left with any 10s? No. I lost the game because I wasn't able to get rid of my entire deck. Now, I do want to show you, though. I'm going to leave these cards out, and I want you to imagine. I'm gonna rig this. Give me a second. So I want to show you what happens if you're at a gridlock and you can't play, which means you do not have a combination of 10. Okay, so say for example, this was what I was dealt with the very first time. I've got 7, 8, 8, 8, 5, 4, and 9. I have no combinations of 10 on my mat. I can choose any one of these cards to get rid of. I'm going to get rid of the 8. It's going to go onto the bottom of my pile, and then I will redraw from the top. Okay, now I have a combination of 10 where I can play with empty holes to continue. Okay, so that is in the event that you have nothing. You have to make the choice to get rid of it first. So this was my original mat. I chose to get rid of this 8. I put it on the bottom. So it's still mine. Okay, it comes down into my draw pile, and now I can turn over the top and continue playing the game. Now, if I come to another gridlock like that, I will start I will choose which card to put under the pile as well. Okay, now if you choose to decide to play this game with a partner, you will split your deck in half, give half to your partner, half to you, and of course whoever gets rid of their cards first or has the most combinations of 10 at the end of how many or however many cards you have left. So say for example, I had 6 cards left and Grant only had 3 cards left, Grant would have won because he had fewer cards left. So enjoy. It is a game that you can play by yourself and have fun. If 10 is too easy, change it to 15, change it to 20. You make the combination that you want. We'll see you next time.